CIPCO PRO C Clamp. Heavy-duty chrome, vanadium steel. For use in welding applications and for holding awkward shapes in place, soft rubber grip, handles and fast-release handle design, adjustable top, spindle for holding pipes of varying sizes. Kreg 90 degrees corner C Clamp. Works on 90 degrees corners and T-joints, one maximum capacity. Cast aluminum, V and wedge clamp pads, Max Auto, adjust technology. Easy to regulate clamping, pressure with thumb wheel. Cutout allows driving a pocket hole, screw without removing clamp. Padded, ergonomic handles. Festool C Clamp. Clamping thickness 6 5/8 inches, 168 mm, secures your workpiece for precision cutting, sanding, routing, sanding, or just about any other application. Ratcheting mechanism enables easy locking and quick release for a more efficient workflow. Works seamlessly with holes and channels of the MFT table and can be inserted into bot. MAXPOWER C-clamp. 2 inches C-clamp, up to 2-inch jaw opening. Up to January 3rd 16-inch throat depth. Made of cast iron, C-clamp set used to hold together two workpieces by torquing the screws. Suitable with working in metal workpiece. Versatile clamp secures parts for assembly, fastening, gluing and welding. Ductile cast iron frame with I-beam design provides maximum strength. IRWIN VISE-GRIP. Wide opening jaws provide greater versatility in clamping a variety of shapes. Swivel pads hold tapered work, awkward fabricating jobs,